Hey, what's going on, people? Thank you for stopping by today. It's your boy Will. You probably stopped by here because you're wondering, is it possible to make money online? Well, if you're new to my channel, I would like for you to look at the bottom of this video, click the subscribe button, and subscribe to my channel. And if you stick around through this video, I'm going to share with you how I'm able to make money from home. In this video, I'm not going to flash cash or none of that. I'm just going to talk to you and tell you where I've been in life, and that it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work online, work from home, and make you some money. If you're interested in that, I would like for you to stay tuned. So guys, I want to give you a little bit of my testimony. For the ones who don't know me, I want to share with you a little bit of that. Back in 2014, I got into some serious trouble. I was facing some serious jail time, but luckily I got off with just going to a program called Teen Challenge of Mid-America for 14 months. So in that 14-month time period, I determined that my job was causing me a lot of stress. It was tearing me apart mentally and physically, guys. When I graduated the program, I got home, and the first thing that came to mind was going back to work, getting a job, making some money. Then I realized I can't go backwards in life. I have to move forward. I have to let that job go. There's ways to make money without working for someone else, making someone else rich. It's what they basically teach you in school, just to work your whole life. I knew it was something else I had to do, so I started working online, and to begin with, it was stressful, it was hard, but one thing I did learn in the program was discipline. Guys, you must discipline yourself. Without discipline, guys, you will fail miserably online and even offline. You got to discipline yourself. So what I did was discipline myself. I stayed consistent at what I was doing. I dropped my skepticism, because if you're skeptical about things that you think won't work and you're thinking everything is a scam, then you're pretty much going to fail too. You have to give in to some things, guys, because working that job, anything is better than working that job every single day, cutting that alarm clock off every morning, getting out of bed mad at everybody, going to work in a bad attitude. That sucks. So if you're like me, you're tired of stressing, you're tired of the body aches, you want to spend quality time with your family, you want to have some me time for yourself to do what you want to do, you just want to work 2 to 4 hours a day and make $200 to $500 a day from the comfort of your own home, then I have a great program for you. Now I must say this about this program, my man, that it's only going to work if you make it work. You can't just click the link in the bottom of this video, sign up, and then money magically appear in your checking account. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to discipline yourself. Now once you get the word discipline stuck right here in this thing right here, you can make $200 to $500 out, even more, every single day from the comfort of your home. Now I'm about finished with this video, guys, and I want to show you something. The link is in the bottom of this video. You could take this little thing right here and just click it, and you can start making a lot of money, and you can enjoy your life. You can be happy. You can have all that free quality time with your family, and I advise you do that. And this is all for this video, guys. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. May God bless you, and hey, you already know, let's get this money.